and amaJuda bebawazonda. And the lithi iBhayibheli uMordekhai wabiza umntana kabhuti wakhe. Mina leyazi lento le yokuthi umama babiza umuntu bamtshele something about somebody else. Wona uzocabanga lento iqala manje lento ibuye eBhayibhelini. Beku Naomi owaya kuRuth wathi Ruth nawufuna le ndoda yenza so. Amen. Namanga my brother. Abanalanga labo mama bathambile. Do you understand what I say? Nakubut uRuth bengana ndoda. Na unayo mabheki character yakhe. Unayo mkhuluma unayo. Unayo manje wasala. Wathi wena wasala. Walalela they're going to despise you not from here. You are not from the same tribe. Awusuku Judah. But there's something in you. And laba bala abanayo into nayo. Elalela kuyoshisa. Mara lalela yabona lo umntana kamfowethu. Lalela icharacter yakho will suit them. Wathi lalela Ruth. Listen to me. Wena yenza lapho uhlilo yenza noma bathini bakurejectiona submit uRuth wancedwa ukuthi wavala la. Abanye balahlekela into ezikhona ngoba bakhona ukuvala la babeke kakhulu bafuna ukuprove ipoint lakho lilahlekise igolide amen. Amana ngazinangizwa basaba. Can you give the Lord a hand of praise? Nangizwa. Uyayizwa nda? Yes. Why is Mordecai? Listen. Mordecai did the same thing. What was Allah? Esther, my dear, thank you. What did I Esther come here? What should one Mordecai umalumag? What is that man doesn't have a wife? What they remember my chuta bazwabula. And you know what she did? What in Zokal to go in there at naturally gang. You know that story. Now most of pieces of Evangelist. And the little Bible, Esther. Esther did not know a man. She was still what? A virgin. Did not know a man. I know what I am doing. Ah! Esther from head to toe. Then Tomasana never I parade. Never mean by your cat. Who Esther meet among them because of a cat. What never feel what extra what you bring up of. What you want, you know? Amen. Amen. Amen.